Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll take a closer look at one of the most beloved types of whiskey, peat whiskey. Find out what makes peat whiskey so special, how it differs from other types of whiskey, and recommend the best peat whiskey. And when I go camping, the fire yoke and pit whiskey are really the best. Part 1. What is peat whiskey? Peat whiskey is a type of whiskey that gets its distinct flavor from peat, an earthy substance found in certain parts of Scotland. Peat is used to smoke malted barley during the drying process, which gives the whiskey its distinctive smoky flavor. The amount of peat used in this process can vary, which affects the intensity of the smoky flavor. Part 2. How is peat whiskey different from other types of whiskey? All whiskey is made from a mixture of water, grain and yeast, but the use of peat in the malting process sets peat whiskey apart from other types of whiskey. Peat whiskey's smoky flavor is so intense that it can be a familiar taste for some. But for those who enjoy it, the smokiness adds a unique flavor and complexity to the whiskey. Part 3. Recommended peat whiskeys to try. Now that you know what peat whiskey is and how it differs from other types of whiskey, let's take a look at some recommended brands to try. Here are our top picks for peat whiskey. Lagavulin 16-year-old. This whiskey is one of peat whiskey's most popular and well-known brands. It has a deep, smoky flavor with subtle sweetness. Ardbeg Ugadal. This whiskey has a bold, intense flavor with notes of dark chocolate, coffee and raisins. A great choice for those who want a strong, complex whiskey. Lefroy 10-year-old. This whiskey has a distinctive smoky flavor with hints of seaweed, iodine and peat. A great choice for those who want a classic, traditional peat whiskey. This concludes our ultimate guide to peat whiskey. We invite you to learn and be inspired to try something new about this unique type of whiskey. As always, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.